Hi, you guys. Thank you for joining me for a little makeup therapy. For those returning, welcome back. And for those joining for the first time, welcome, welcome, welcome. As you can see, I've started by applying the Fenty Beauty 380 foundation. I'm using a beauty blender, but in a moment you'll see I'm going to switch to my foundation brush.
My, oh my.
So after I found my happy place with applying my foundation, I'm going to go in with the LA Girl Pro Concealer.
When I think about yesterday, my, oh my. My, oh my.
Once I've applied my concealer, I'm going to go in and bake a little bit with my Ben Nye banana powder. While I'm baking with the Ben Nye setting powder, I'm going to go in with the Anastasia contour kit.
My, oh my. My, oh my.
No worries, you guys. As you can see, I do have some blending to do on my forehead. Before this video's over, I promise you, I'm going to get that blended in. No stress here. This is a little makeup therapy, remember. Also, I just went in with the NYX setting spray. So here I'm applying the Kylie illuminating powder to the apples of my cheeks, a little bit on my forehead, a little on the tip of my nose, and the bow of my lip. This beautiful eyeshadow palette that I'm using is by Nomad. It's highly pigmented and it went on smoothly. Love it.
When I think about yesterday, my oh my, my oh my, a kiss and so I did.
Next, I'm going to be applying the Baddie B IG lashes. Okay, next, the lipstick that I'm going to apply is by Antimatter, and the color is Midnight. I hope I pronounced that correctly. After applying my lipstick, I remembered I needed to apply my liquid liner, and the liquid liner I'm using is by Anastasia, and the color is black.
So, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.